Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Clash Royale game on your device. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to play the Clash Royale game, but it doesn't seem to be working as intended, then one of the reasons might be that you are not updated to the latest version. So in order to update your game, simply open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, simply use the search box to search for Clash Royale. Now if your game is updated to the latest version, then you will be able to see the play button. And if it's not, then you will see update instead of play. So if you see the update button, go ahead and tap on it, and you will need to wait for a while until the installation of the update is completed. Once the installation is done, you will see the play button once again, and this means that the update is completed. You can simply tap on the play button, and this will now open up the Clash Royale game. And now your gameplay will be running much more smoothly than before. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update your Clash Royale game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.